Today, we'll be taking a look at the drum baffle on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, I must first remove this panel that has multiple 1/4-inch screws going around the perimeter. And before we remove the last one, I'm going to set my arm here. Make sure it doesn't fall, drop it back, and remove the back panel and set it to the side. Now that we have that removed, in order to remove the top, there are 2 small screws, both 1/4 inches, that'll have to be taken off. Get that one to the other one on the other side. Twist that screw out and set it to the side. Next, we have returned to the front, and we'll have to lift up the top. And in order to do so, you'll grab both sides and pull it forward so it releases from the locking tabs of the frame. Lift it up, kind of sit it at the back, and find a way to support it. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to the drum baffle. Now, you can turn the drum to access different baffles. Just make sure the baffle in question is located on the top. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing the baffle would be if it is damaged, causing damages to your clothes as it spins. And in order to replace your baffle, we have 3 1/4-inch screws on the top. So I'm going to start by removing 2 of them. Once I have those taken out, to remove the second one, I'm going to hold on to the baffle, remove the screw, pull the baffle out, remove the screw from the drum, and set it to the side. When installing a new baffle, let's go ahead and slide it in and look to line up one of the screw holes on the top. Once we have one located, let's install the screw. And it doesn't have to be tightened all the way because we will have to move the baffle around to install the others. So let's slide it over and reinstall the center screw. Tighten up the other one. And of course, we will reinstall the end one. Close the door, and now we can reinstall the top. When installing your top, first, let's drop it down, and you'll want to get it as close to the sides as possible. Slide it forward, slide it back in. It will go into the locking portion here. Now we can reinstall the screws on the back. Now that we have the top positioned correctly, let's reinstall these screws here, starting with the one on this corner. We'll just twist it in by hand first. Then let's get this one in. If you need to move the top around, go ahead and do so, but we do not want them to strip out when we're putting them in. So get it in by hand. Let's switch over our ratchet, tighten them up. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling the back panel, first we'll slide our tech manual back under here. Then we'll bring the back panel up, install the middle screw to hold it in. And now we're going to go around the perimeter and reinstall the others. Get our last screw in here, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.